G'day, g'day. Nice and early. It's getting cold. I think winter's almost here. This morning we're doing Jason's order, which was just 2 GGHD IPS kits. So we'll get those done real quick before the mail drop in 10 minutes. One programmed. I've got the little pupper here with me. She wants to go for a walk as soon as this is done. Okay, both are flashed. Put these screens on. OSD works, no dead pixels. That one looks all good. And for the second, looks good, no dead pixels, and the OSD works fine. Nice. Alright, I'll get those packed up and on its way to you. And I won't forget the Gamegear motherboard. Alright, see you on the next one.